Welcome back, guys. The topic is control structures. As we know, in C++, there are three types of control structures: branching, looping, and jumping. And in Java, same thing, that is selection statement, iterative statements, and transfer statements. Selection statements, as we know, if else, nested if, ladder if, and switch. And iterative statements, that is the looping structures, that is for loop, while loop, do while, and the new one is for each loop, that is available in Java 1.5. That is the version of Java which is this loop is available from 1.5. Now we are working on 1.9. And transfer statements, they are also called as jump statements: break, continue, return, try catch, finally, and assert. So we will be giving you example of assert, that is type of annotation, and try catch, finally are part of exception handling. So we will be covering these two in the respective topics, and I will be telling you about break, continue, return. But let's focus on for each loop, which is the new part of iterative statements or the looping structures. So I've already made a program for you guys, and let's see what this program is doing. So I've created two classes, check loops and test for. So this is my logical class. So I've created two functions here. One is implementing a normal for loop, and the other one is implementing for each loop. So I've taken two variables, sum1 and sum2. I've initialized to 0. So I've created one function here which is accepting one array, and one argument is length. And as traditionally we do, from array index start from 0 to length minus 1. So the sum of the array will be computed like this. Fine. There is a condition, and there is iteration as well, and the sum will be printed as the final statement. So in main function I'll be creating one array. So I'm giving it some values. So I'll be calling the first function. I'm creating the object here, and calling the function like obj.getFor, and passing the real argument and the length of the array. So the sum will be printed, we'll see in the output. And the next function, which is the point of focus, so please concentrate, this is a for each loop. So this thing is called as for each loop. You can see there is no condition checking, there is no iteration, only one iterator. K is here. You can have any name, it can be X, Y, Z, anything here, and the particular collection. So I'm passing only one array here, and I am using the name of that collection. So what is a collection? The simplest example of collection you can say now is an array. We can have various collections in Java, such as vector, such as array list, and there are multiple examples for collection, but right now we will focus on array only. So I've created another array here, array2, real array2, and I've passed some values to it, and I'm passing only one argument, that is array2 here. So this will reach here, and what it will do, one element will be basically for each loop is used to traverse a particular collection. So one by one each element will be picked up, and it will be added to this. So sum2 is initialized to 0 here. So 2 plus 0 is 2, then 5, 7, then 7 plus 10 is 17, then 32 plus 20 is 52. So the answer here will be 52. So let's see what is our result. We'll open CMD, we'll press CLS, and we'll compile the file. No errors are there. Java test for. So here you can see the sum is 95 and the sum is 52. So this is very simple for each loop. We'll again see some key factors involved in for each loop. So these are the key factors: that a for each loop always move forward. It's a forward moving loop only. There is no iteration involved, and there is no condition checking. It is used to traverse a particular collection only. So thank you so much for watching.